It's blueberries swirled in this gorgeous lemon cake. So we're gonna start with zesting about 3 or 4 lemons. I've zested 4 because I'm gonna use the zest and the juice from the lemon. So I wanna get all the zesting done beforehand because I'm gonna start by making the blueberry compote. I'm gonna get a little heat on. Blueberries go in, and then a little lemon juice just to break up the blueberries as they heat up. And compote is a thickened fruit sauce. You really want the beautiful flavor of the fruit. We also want a little sugar in here, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. While I wait for these guys to heat up and develop into a compote, I'm gonna get our dry ingredients together. The reason I love making my own cakes from scratch is because your imagination is the only thing that's gonna stop you, because you can add any flavor that you wanna add. So making a cake is really easy. It just takes this little roadmap. You wanna cream your butter and sugar, you wanna have dry ingredients with a leavener in it and a little bit of salt, and then you want your wet ingredients to have some flavor in it. So that's what we're gonna do. Starting with the dry ingredients, we want 3 cups of flour. These are our leaveners. We got some baking soda and now some baking powder. That goes in, and then a little bit of salt. Whisk them together so they blend. There we go. Let's get this out of the way, because now it's time for our wet ingredients. 1/3 cup of lemon juice from about 2 to 3 lemons. So we have our lemon juice, we have some milk, and we have some vanilla. These are our wet ingredients. We're gonna get about 1 tablespoon in there of vanilla. And then yes, I am putting lemon juice, which is acidic, into milk, which isn't. So it could curdle, it doesn't matter. It's all gonna get blended together, so there's not gonna be lumps or bumps or anything. It'll be fine. I'm gonna check in on the compote, turn the heat off, let it cool down. Oh, it really looks beautiful. Oh, it smells even better. So lovely. So while the compote cools, we'll finish putting together our cake. So now it's time to cream the butter and sugar. So we have our 2 sticks of butter, and then we need 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. And then you just turn it up as it starts to incorporate to really get it to mix together and get really nice and creamy. We have 4 eggs in our recipe, so I'm just gonna crack those up. And I like to crack them separately in a bowl. Just makes it easier just to pop them in. All right, egg time. 1 at a time. Just let that incorporate before you add the next one. Now we need some lemon zest in here. 1/4 cup of lemon zest. So let's get the dry ingredients. So first, half dry ingredients. By adding half and then all of the wet ingredients and then half our dry ingredients, it gives the batter time to mix together without over-mixing it. The wet ingredients. Now, yes, you can see those little lumps in there. Don't worry about that. And that's all gonna get mixed into your cake. And the rest of the dry. So I sprayed this down with some cooking spray so the cake won't stick. Let's put the batter in. I love the idea of snacking cakes. It's really portable. So you could make this cake at the beginning of the week. My friend makes it with her boys, and then they have it in their lunch all week. I'm getting every last bit in there. Just spread that around. We're not done. Remember that compote we made a little while ago? We're gonna spread that in here. It's cooled, it's beautifully thick. Then we're gonna grab a knife. So what you wanna do is you don't wanna just swirl it on top. I wanna see those blueberries all through the cake. So just get in there and kinda stir it in. Here we go. I got the oven preheated to 350 degrees, so it's gonna go into the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. While a lemon blueberry snacking cake cools, let's make the cream cheese frosting, lemon cream cheese frosting. So we have a whole brick of cream cheese, and to this we are going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and half of the stick of room temp butter. 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Just want to get all these ingredients together. I'm gonna add 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 at a time, because I don't want it to go all over me. Just looking for it to get nice and creamy. It's almost there. Yes. It's nice and cooled off. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, blueberries, add a little fresh pop Put them on however you like. Just wanna make sure that every slice will get a blueberry. There, this looks pretty. Just for Kelsey. Can't stop putting blueberries on my cake. Blueberry and lemon.
Such a good combo, isn't it? Oh, that looks beautiful. And the blueberry swirl in the center.
So the rest of this is for you
Oh,
and your
thank
kids and your
you.
hubby.
Oh, that's so kind of you. My little girl likes to do cakes. Cheers.
Yes, cheers.
Cheers. There we go. To organize
I don't know what that
refrigerators.
is about it, but I just love doing that.
You know what I appreciate about this? It's not light on the lemon. The lemon is there, and I am here for it.
Pump it up.
Love it.
Yep.
And the cream cheese frosting on top, this is perfect.